Good morning, welcome to your NA66BJK YouTube channel. Thanks for checking out this video presentation of a new in stock 420D Grand Coupe M Sport 2016 66 reg. The purpose of this video is to help you make an informed buying decision. You understand, with click and collect and delivery services, it's not as it used to be where you could tangibly come around and have a look at the car. So hopefully this make it a little bit easier for you. Stunning mineral grey with coral red Dakota leather, as you can see there. Got over 120 BMWs in stock. This is our overflow car park and it literally is wall to wall BMWs. Let's get back to looking at the car in question. Xenon headlights to the front, covered 42,000 miles. Of course, we've carried out some aesthetic upgrades, as you can see. Black grills, 3-piece front splitter, gloss black air breathers, sidebars and performance decals. We can add privacy glass if that's something you'd like, please ask. Fitted these lovely colour matched graphite grey GTS wheels in 20-inch with brand new tyres. I think they look really good. Front and rear parking sensors, 8-speed automatic gearbox with paddle shift, rear spoiler, gloss black rear diffuser. I will take you for a look around in the boot there. Bodywork condition, really tidy, really well looked after car. Take a look at the inside. Coral red Dakota leather. Seat, steering wheel, interior, very good condition. Service history wise, 18,000 miles until the next service. Professional widescreen navigation, heated seats, climate control, dual zone. Let's take a look at the service history. It's not logged on the iDrive on this one, so we'd have paperwork for it. Very recently been serviced, as the next one isn't due for 18,000 miles. Front brakes in 30,000 and rear brakes in 39,000. All the handbooks, very recent MOT. Isofix rear bench, 3 seat belts with centre armrest. Media wise, we have Bluetooth phone, audio and media playback, DAB radio, multi-function cruise control, automatic headlights there and paddle shift. Let's take a look in the boot, which I failed to do earlier because I didn't unlock the car. Huge tailgate, automatic opening, 2 parcel shelves and original tail mats. Thank you very much for watching. HP and PCP available on this vehicle. Part exchange is very welcome. Please add us on Instagram at YourNextCarUK. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. If we've missed anything, please feel free to get in contact. Thanks for watching. Thank you.